If you want to eject SIM tray on the Samsung Galaxy S26 and if you want to insert your SIM card, then in that case we need to take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find our SIM tray over here. We can also find this hole on the SIM tray. You don't want to mistake it with this dot over here, this hole that we have between the SIM tray and the USB-C port, because this is the microphone and of course you don't want to damage it by accident. So we need to use this hole and we're gonna use the SIM eject tool. You can find yours inside the box, and then we're gonna put this eject tool into this hole over here. So there we go, and then once it is in, push it into the phone with a little bit of force in order to make the SIM tray slightly pop out, just like that. Then you can use your fingernails or fingers in order to completely remove the SIM tray from the phone. Now, there we go, we have our SIM tray. Here, as you can see, we have the SIM card slot number 1. There is also the SIM card slot number 2, but this is the non-US version. I think, if I'm not mistaken, the US version has only one physical SIM card slot. Nevertheless, once you want to insert your SIM card, then of course we need to match the shape of the slot. So we need to simply put it in, and you want to be careful actually with your SIM card, because these slots are pretty loose and it's really easy to drop your SIM cards and lose them, so be careful. And then over here on the reverse side, I'm gonna insert another SIM just like that. And then once you have both SIMs ready, once they are inserted into their slots, you should be able to put them back into the phone. So just slide it in and make sure that the SIM tray is fully inside the phone. It should not stick out. If you cannot fully insert it, just remove the SIM tray again and make sure that SIM cards are inserted properly. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.